Cable wire recycling machine is to recycle the waste copper cable scrap and aluminum cable scraps into pure copper and aluminum particles and plastic particles. Our waste cable wire granulating machine adopts dry physical method, no pollution from the process. With the increasing of the metal's price, the waste cables recycling business are getting more and more profitable. Cable wire recycling machine is also called cable wire granulator. Due to its dry type design, the cables and wires needed to be shredded or crushed into granules before the air separation. The air separating system is designed by the theory of density separation. Most of the metal and plastic can be separated at this part, but the slight wire needed to be separated by the next separating system, electrostatic separator, which can ensure at least 99% recovery rate for the metal.